The Volkswagen ID. Buzz is a modern electric van inspired by the classic Volkswagen microbus. It combines retro styling with advanced technology, making it one of the most unique electric vehicles on the road today. The exterior design of the Volkswagen ID. Buzz looks futuristic while still keeping the iconic shape of the original VW bus. Its smooth curves, LED lights, and colorful paint options give it a fun and stylish appearance. Inside the cabin, the Volkswagen ID. Buzz offers a spacious and comfortable interior. The seats are designed with high-quality materials, and the large windows create an open and airy feeling for passengers. The vehicle comes with a fully digital dashboard and a large touchscreen infotainment system. Drivers can easily control navigation, music, climate settings, and vehicle information with modern technology features. The Volkswagen ID. Buzz is powered by an electric motor, which means it produces zero emissions while driving. This makes it an environmentally friendly option for people who want cleaner transportation. One of the best features of the Volkswagen ID. Buzz is its quiet driving experience. Since it uses electric power, the vehicle runs smoothly with very little noise, creating a relaxing journey. The van also provides impressive acceleration and performance. Even though it is designed as a family vehicle, the electric motor delivers strong power and responsive handling on city roads and highways. Safety is an important part of the Volkswagen ID. Buzz. It includes advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and parking sensors. The battery range of the Volkswagen ID. Buzz allows drivers to travel long distances on a single charge. Fast charging technology also helps recharge the battery quickly during road trips. Families will enjoy the practicality of the Volkswagen ID.